Good day, mates. Today we're solving AMC 12B, problem number 15. This question isn't actually that bad. Alright, for this one, first let's try to break it down into mini triangles like this. Just like construct all these little mini triangles across the shape. And after you do that, you'll see that there will be 24 of these small mini triangles like this. So there will be 24 triangles in total. And since going around a circle is 360 degrees, this angle right here would be 360 divided by 24, which is 15 degrees. Alright, so now that we have established this, we know this is 15 degrees, we could also see that if we draw out a mini square right here, which is 1/4 the size of this big square of side length 6 that the question gave us, this mini square will have a side length of 3, this will be side length of 3 right there, and this will be 90 degrees. Okay, and we could also see that this line, this blue line right here I drew, bisects this right angle. So this big angle over here will actually be 45 degrees. Let me zoom in a bit. So this angle right here is 45 degrees. And since we know this is 15 degrees, this is 45 minus 15, which equals 30 degrees right here. Alright, so now that we know that this angle, let me give it a new color, this angle is 30 degrees, this is a right angle, that means this angle must be 60 degrees right there. So we could figure out what this side length is. And I'll show you why we need to figure out that side length in a bit. So we have, let me rewrite it out right here. This is 30 degrees, that's 60 degrees, that's 90 degrees right there. This side length, we could figure it out by doing sine, let's do tangent of 30 degrees equals x over 3. So x is 3 times square root of 3 over 3, which is square root of 3. So x equals square root of 3 right there. Alright, now that we know this base is square root of 3, this is 3 minus square root of 3. We could figure out what the area of this triangle is. And after we figure out what the area of this triangle is, we could just times it by 24 to figure out the whole area of this shape. Alright, so what is this area of this triangle? Well, we know that this this mini box is side length of 3, and we are given that this is square root of 3, that's 3 minus square root of 3, and we have triangles like that. This one over here is symmetrical, so this triangle right here and this triangle right here, they are symmetrical, so they're the same. So we could just figure out the area of this triangle, and then we would know the area of this triangle that we're trying to find. Alright, so let's do that real quick. So it's 9, or this area of the box, minus this length, which is square root of 3 times the height, 3 divided by 2. And since we have 2 of these triangles right here, we multiply this by 2. And then since this triangle is symmetrical to this triangle, or the exact same or congruent, we divide this by 2 to figure out the area of one of these triangles. So what is this? This could be, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so this could be 9 minus 3 times square root of 3 over 2. Alright, now this multiplied by 24 of these little triangles to figure out the total area of the polygon. So that's 1, that's 12. It would be equal to 108 minus 36 times square root of 3. And this will be our a minus b square root of c format. They want to find what a plus b plus c is. That's what the question asks. That would be 108 plus 36 plus 3, which is 144 plus 3, which equals 147, or answer choice E.